I'm Eugenes Martin from BAMM 1A, and this is my reaction video about the both films Amelie 2001 and Rashomon 1950 by Akira Kurosawa. Okay, let's start with the question number 1. What are the two films about? Provide a brief summary of each film. Amelie 2001, a whimsical French film about Amélie Poulain, a shy but imaginative young woman who finds joy in secretly improving the lives of others, while struggling with her own loneliness. Rashomon 1950, a Japanese classic by Akira Kurosawa that explores the nature of truth through the conflicting testimonies of four individuals about a crime in the woods. For the question number 2, research on both films makers and about their background in filmmaking. Briefly discuss about their craft and contribution to filmography. Jean-Pierre Jeunet, known for his distinct visual style, quirky storytelling, and use of vibrant colors to create a fairy tale-like narratives. Akira Kurosawa, a legendary filmmaker who revolutionized cinema with his innovative storytelling, use of weather effects, and deep philosophical themes. With the question number 3, provide a visual explanation on how the films were shot, made, and edited. Amelie, warm, saturated colors, red, yellow, green. Playful cinematography, fast cuts, and whimsical CGI to enhance its magical realism. For the Rashomon, star black and white, cinematography, high contrast lighting, dynamic camera movements, and natural settings to create a mysterious, subjective perspective. Effectiveness, yes, both films use their visuals to enhance storytelling. For the movie Amelie, feels dreamy and uplifting, while for the Rashomon, feels intense and thought-provoking. For the question number 4, choose two shots on each film that made a great impact on you. Evaluate and scrutinize the scenes why those four were memorable by using of art elements and design principles, and how they added to the effectiveness of the delivery on each scene. Further, commentaries may be added in regards to emotions and personal interpretation. With the Amelie, close-up of Amelie's smile when she helps others highlights her joy in small acts of kindness. Montage of her childhood memories establishes her loneliness and imagination. For the Rashomon movie, sunlight piercing through the trees symbolizes the search for truth. And for the final scene in this movie, with the baby, represent hope and redemption after deception. With the question number 5, after watching both films, compare and contrast the films. Provide at least two similarities and differences. Expound your answer as per needed. For the similarities of both films, both explores human nature. In Amelie, through kindness, and for Rashomon, through the truth and perspective. Unique cinematography that enhances storytelling. For the difference of both films, Amelie is colorful and lighthearted, while Rashomon is dark and serious. Rashomon uses an unreliable narrator structure, while Amelie follows a straightforward narrative. In modern-day filmography, with CGI and visual effects often added, sometimes solely to make visually appealing films to engage its audience. Is it possible to make the films that I have similar impact without much depends on it? For my answer is yes, of course. Is it possible to make impactful films without relying on CGI and visual effects? Amelie 2001 and Rashomon 1950 prove that strong storytelling, unique cinematography, and creative editing can deeply engage audiences. Both films use color, lighting, and camera work effectively to support their roles, showing that great films don't always need heavy special effects. For the question number 7, what were your honest opinions about the films? Were they good or bad? Why or why not? Engaging or boring? Expound your answer. For my honest opinions, both films are excellent. For the Amelie is charming and uplifting, while Rashomon is profound and thought-provoking. Neither one is boring, as both captivate audiences with their unique storytelling and strong visuals. That's for all. Thank you.